Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Aisha Siddika Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal School, National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 7, and today's topic, that means your today's topic is assignment number 1. You got an assignment from the government grade, and your today's topic and the question is arts and crafts makes life beautiful and aesthetic and helps to develop our society. In better way, explain it. So I have made a answer for you. You will try to follow this, but not the same. Okay, you can create this from your book and use internet also. So first I will say, in today's world there are many different countries and there are different types of people, and again their languages are also different. It is not possible for one person to learn all those languages, but if pictures are drawn according to the nature, environment, lifestyle of a country, one can easily grasp information about the country. Mainly art is also a language. So already we got easy things or important things that art can express our language. Definition of art: the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination, typically in a visual form such as painting or sculpture, producing works to be appreciated primarily for their beauty or emotional power. Definition of craft: so art and craft are not the same things. Craft is also art, but not same. Definition of craft: the expression or application of human creative skills and imagination, typically crafts in this type art, which we can use usually. That means the expression or application of human creative skill and imagination. Craft is also the same things of art, but typically crafts in this type of art, craft is this type of art which we can use usually. Craft is a form of making which generally produces an object that has a function, something you can wear or eat or drink from. Art makes our life easy. For example, we can say a story. In a restaurant in Paris, to make understand what he wanted to eat, the famous artist Zainul Abidin drew those things on a piece of paper. By drawing, he explained whether to eat boiled or fried food. By drawing, he also said he would not drink wine. Starting from the primitive time, from the cave age, man have conquered the world in many different ways. People were from the primitive ages started to express their thoughts by using pictures as a medium. Crafts have noticeable use in different fields in our daily life. These are inseparable mixed with our lives for ages. We use many things in our social life and family life which are crafts. Besides crafts, there are other art which are made by ordinary people. These are known as folk art. The area of the folk arts of Bangladesh is very wide. Various folk paintings are made in various religious rites and celebrations in the rural areas of Bangladesh. There are some major diverse folk art and craft we always see, such as Alpona, pot lid painting, that means the Shora Chitra, scroll painting, Patochitra, embroidered quilt, terracotta. These are mainly known as folk art. so that these all things we use these all things are usable things of our life. That means usable things is the craft. On the other hand, there are many different everyday usable things in Bangladesh, among which chopper axe, spade, sickle, nut crusher, blade of plough, pot, pitcher, earthen cask, many things made of copper, boat, rickshaw, coat, door, etc. To add beauty of this object, craftsmen make scratch marks, engrave on or even attach leaf flower, birds or other pictures to this object. Only the language of picture or arts and crafts we can easily understand the culture and natural environment of any nation in this world. Arts and crafts makes life beautiful and aesthetic. Many crafts and handicrafts are now used by the village women for their livelihood as well as beauty. So we can say that arts and crafts are making a great contribution in the improving our society. So my dear student, hope you all have understood what I have to say to you, and you must give your assignment at the school by rules. That means you all obviously use the cover page, and remember this, you use only one side of the page, not one page, use both sides. Remember this very carefully and write down your roles, sections and your name very carefully. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.